you know what is the most dangerous rail in the Philippines? This is the most dangerous rail in the Philippines. Is the PNR. But always that now it's the 24 siya ba completed to Manila to Bicol by PNR Express. And the railless to go is the Sariaya rail is the most dangerous. While all those the province she go into the PNR. But now it's 2024. She have into January 1 and while got to grade 3 sections to make the Sariaya. So in 2023, it operated the government of the PNR. Well, I don't know, you have and the PNR section is the most complicated to province, to main ones. Sariaya, siya ba most dangerous? Siya ba on the 2014 and 2012, siya ba deforestation and siya ba incident in the Sariaya. So Sariaya is the complicated to the province of the Quezon. So in 2012, siya ba PNR old and 2023 while operate to 2022 the government to newest PNR and classic and economy 2 inside. So yeah. So and I hope you enjoyed to watching this video and I'll be see you for the next video or next time. Yeah. Bye.